Alright guys, check this out. I got this pure grains here. This was on sale for Black Friday and I picked it up. So it's Aztec Chipotle flavor, and basically it's like pre-made grains that you can just warm up. So let me zoom in here. You guys can read this. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. There's the nutrient panel and there are the ingredients. So as you can see, it's water, white and red quinoa, brown rice, corn, black beans, tomatoes, zoom in there, farro, cilantro. Yeah, so it has a little bit of wheat in there, so it does have wheat, so there you go. But we're gonna open this up. I'm gonna cook it with some other things I have. I'm gonna add an onion to it, and then I'm gonna add some meat and some lettuce and some tomatoes and some basil, and then that'll be good. And I'll add some beef to it. So stay tuned, guys. I'll be back. Alright guys, there is the pure grains all opened up. As you can see, it's kind of mushed up, so I'm going to cook it up, add some water to it, and cook it with all the lettuce and stuff like that I have, and we'll see how it works. Stay tuned. Alright guys, as you can see, it's all done, and I'm going to do a quick taste test. That's the grains there. So, cooked it up with some, as you can see, vegetables, and there we go, zoomed in. Do a quick taste test. I'm the only one eating this, so it's actually really good. The flavor is really good. It has that sort of rustic style, and it's got a really good chipotle flavor that actually melds in with all the vegetables now. So definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, please go subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing another review of the pure grains. There's different flavors, so stay tuned for that. This one's actually pretty good. So it has a nice chipotle sort of smoky taste to it.